Hello, Indies. I am your host, Debonair, and this is the show known as Indie Year. It is the show where we focus on getting your independent video games up and running. I wanted to give you guys an update on how our game is going, why the tutorials are not coming in as fast as they should. I've been working very hard in regular life, IRL, and so that has been slowing me down just a little bit. Also been spending a lot of time with the family. Now I'm back in the office getting everything up and running. And if you are having any difficulties when it comes to your game, I think I've got a few solutions that you can try. One is right now, like the problem that I'm having with my game is I'm trying to get touch functions to be as intuitive as they possibly can be. And it seems like there are not that many tutorials to do specifically what I want to do, meaning either one of the following. Either I'm going to have to get lucky, which is what normally happens, or I'm going to have to learn to code, and I don't want to do that. Or I'm going to have to pay someone to just give me the code, which it's highly possible. I'm actually about to look on like Fiverr and stuff like that, see if I could find someone who's just willing to give me the code. I copy, I'm paste, I'm done. That's probably a much faster way to do it. And I have been working hard to get funding for the game, so it's possible. I gotta just see what it is that I gotta see. I gotta look. I gotta start looking. Also, I've been trying to culminate all of my code into just one project right now. And what happens is 9 times out of 10, I believe that one amount of code is messing up the functionality of the other code, but I don't know specifically which one is doing what. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm using Unity 3D, of course, and I'm going to be instead of having all the code in one project, I'm going to split the projects up into specific parts. So I'm going to name the projects accordingly, like the project that gave me movement. That's my grid movement based system, so I'm going to have that in one project. Then the project that works on animation, I'm going to have that in one project. Then the project that's working on firing, because right now I'm having a problem with firing. I want to tap and it automatically fire. So basically every tap is a fire, whereas every swipe is a movement. And I want it to not have the buttons. Normally you use buttons in your game, like you would use a button overlay, like no one else could see it, but you would know that it's there. You're the one that puts it there. However, I'm trying to have as minimal amount of virtual buttons as I possibly can have. I only want buttons there when they really need to be. And I want you to be able to play the game without being obligated to look at your thumbs. Because, of course, on a mobile device, you can't feel it. Me personally, the haptic feedback is annoying. I really don't need it. I need to touch. I need to feel. And if all the glass is flat, so it all feels the same. So, therefore, that doesn't help. So this is just a suggestion for any of you who are developing your games. Set everything up as to be modular. Split it all up into different sections, and that way, if anything starts not functioning properly once you have it, well then you know immediately what's messing up what. I've also began using Milanote, which is pretty awesome. And I'm going to splice that video with this one later on, so hopefully you guys see it and enjoy. But yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys more updates more often because I need to put more content on the channel. And quite frankly, I've just been worrying about it looking good and being presentable. But I mean, even my hair is messed up right now. But I don't have time for that. I need you guys to know about the game. I need you guys to want to play the game. And I'm also going to need you guys to participate in the contest, as well as give me some insight and feedback on what you think should be implemented and tons of other stuff. So if you don't know what to do, rate, comment, subscribe, upvote, follow, hit the notification bell so you know as soon as I put my newest content out. Most importantly, share this with other indie developers or anybody that you think will want to join the project, and comment below on, what's important to you. What do you think about the ideas that I have? Do you think this is a good approach? I think it's a good approach. I haven't really tried it yet, but I'm about to try it right now as soon as I get off with you guys. So hopefully you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.